y'all folks doing? Welcome to the cable company. Citizens against bad law enforcement, bad laws, and bad entities that want to destroy the fabric of our country. This here, I talked to Eric Young. He's the attorney. This one here is Frank. I don't know exactly how to say his name, so I'm not. But I've been having a hard time, and I don't know. I've been harping on Eric, and he seems to be an all right guy, and you can just about tell people how they are. And this one is, still the same honorable judge in Phillips thing. But this property here, and I don't really know how to say it either. But it's from Kukukai Plaza. This is actually the best one I've gotten so far. This property, I want to use this property as Exhibit A. This is by far the best one sold. Okay, the language is understandable, and it's direct to the point. And this shows all the others are deceitful. Okay, this is a good one right here. This comes up December the 20th. I can't check the people that advertised it and the brokerage people. They got and it's like I think it's 6.7% below the average, and being in the situation it's in, like we're in that, like they're doing it now, and they're trying to run it for a fast sale. That's understandable. It all sounds good. The initial earnest money deposit from the paragraph B1 is $3,000. Additional deposit, if any, paid in escrow. That's one business day after J1 removal. That's probably us. That's $3,000 more dollars. That's $6,000. And you got $10,575 balance on down payment or balance of purchase price if all cash paid into escrow before closing. $16,575 total cash funds from the buyer, exclusive of closing costs. Okay, and then $314,925 by way of first conventional mortgage at prevailing rates and terms from the lender of buyer's choice. And then, it goes on to, this is all all the legal stuff of it, and termite and all that, and enclosures and so on. But I just wanted to show you that I've got I've got a Lord, and this is the thing. This is right here is what you see. That's me. I don't know if you see that or not, but that's me right there, and I'm right there. Okay. And then my sister's over here. This is a petition for confirmation of sale of real property, 1255 New Avenue. I can't even say it. Number E3212, Exhibits A and B. Order setting date, time, and place of hearing on petition for confirmation of sale of real property. Notice of hearing on petition for confirmation of sale of real property. Receipt of notice of hearing. And, and this is, let's see, the State Administrative Service, LLC, is duly acting interim personal representative of the estate of Philip Finn, also known as Philip L. Finn and Philip Leo Finn, deceased, pursuant to the order appointing Estate Administrative Services, LLC, as the interim personal representative of the state, and letters of administration, both filed herein on January 23rd, 2018. The petition is brought pursuant to the HRS, I don't know what that is, 53129 in the Hawaii Probate Rules 69 through 72. The court maintains jurisdiction over this proceeding pursuant to the HRS 561302. Venue of the proceeding is properly before this court pursuant to HRS. And, no offense, but, I can't see how it can be proper. Understandably, if you're the judge, if I'm a judge, I'm going to make my courtroom proper. It's proper, yeah, okay. Well, how in the hell is it proper? Okay, I mean, I just, maybe my education ain't enough for y'all to even explain it to me. Maybe I'm just a piss ain't, but the real property owned by the Senate is described as following: that certain real property, blah blah blah. Okay, is that additional? The court previously authorized sale, and the buyer fell through. But this one here has got two different, and they're gonna pay the. I checked it out. I mean, it's a good, I think it's a good deal. I mean, it would be a good sale if I had control over it. But the fact is I don't have it, and that's when they should get together. I mean, the first time before you started selling any of these properties, I think that we should be concerned about the owners of this place. Okay, so that would first tell me you got to get the will out of the way, and the descendants. Okay, or whatever you want, the heirs. Okay, so you want to call us heirs. Okay, well, you should get us out of the way, or get the will out of the way. One of the two. We need to find out who the fuck owns this place. Because I don't want to sell my property. I don't want to sell nothing, okay? I don't want to sell my share. I don't want to sell nothing, okay? Well, I mean, I get that $1 million, I got two, because of Lisa in the hospital and what they've done. But in normal circumstances, I wouldn't be like that. I would be, I think you should get the will out of the way. Get the heirs out of the way, whichever one, and find the jurisdiction and venue proper, set a date, time, and all that. Okay, and then that's why it comes up December 20. But that's am I the only one that thinks that way, or does anybody think that way? We should get that out of the way, don't you think? And so, I mean, you get that out of the way, and then because that makes it's real convenient that the non-profit organization wants it to sell, and who the heck's the one that he just nominates her, and this other one that just she just nominated herself, as the I don't know, man, I don't understand how that works, and then you come in there, you ain't got nothing to say about it. You can't say nothing. Okay? Well, I don't want to sell. Hey, how much is the taxes anyway? I mean, Jesus Christ, you got a man. You said you had a management team running this place. Okay? Well, for the last 2 years, what the heck did they do, man? This is I mean, it's still the same property, but I've looked over it all. I just wanted there was something here I wanted to read to you, and you wouldn't, but it's just unbelievable, man. It really is. But I mean, it's really, I mean, I like it in a way because it's truthful. But listen to this. Listen to this about the truthfulest I've gotten. This is a statement here. Okay, this is to give you notice that the Real Estate Resource LLC, a Hawaii limited liability company doing business as Better Homes and Garden Real Estate, Advantage Realty, BHGRE Advantage Realty, has a business relationship with the following settlement service providers: Hawaii Title Agency, LLC, Hawaii Title, Island Pacific Home Loans, LLC, Island Pacific, Manage Hawaii, LLC, Manage Hawaii, Pacific Insurance Agent, LLC, Pacific Insurance, and First Hawaii Title Corporation. First Hawaii, please note that the owners and certain employees and associates of BHGRE Advantage Realty own affiliates, LLC, a Hartwell Limited Liability Company affiliates, an entity that owns 27.6% of Hawaii Title, 50% of Island Pacific, 50% of Managed Hawaii, and 50% of Pacific Insurance. While neither BHGRE Advantage Realty nor affiliates has an ownership interest in the First Hawaii, please note that the principals of First Hawaii also own Hawaii and ANAINA LLC, a Hawaii Limited Liability Company, AINA, an entity that has a 43.29.5% ownership interest in a Hawaii title. Because of this relationship, this referral may provide BHGRE Vantage Realty affiliates Hawaii title AINA Island Pacific, Manage Hawaii, and Pacific Insurance with a financial other benefit. Okay, and you don't have to, you're not required, or they also tell you need to go ahead and try to find you, but they got it all sewed up. That's why you call a lawyer over there, you can't get one. And that's why I pulled the monopoly law out of the hat on this one. I was talking about the monopoly law. The monopoly law is like, you can't have you can't own one business and like a power company and, just control the market. That law was put up there so one entity couldn't control the whole market. And that's what I was saying. If I can't get a lawyer, I need to get a lawyer from here to go over there, and they're not all tied up in together. But that's not going to happen because they don't allow it. Okay, you can't go over there with your license here. If you have a license to go and practice law, you can't do it there. I guess you could if you had to. You have to go get your license. I mean, you have to go through school, whatever that is. They got. Well, I just wanted to show you that. This is coming up. But there, I've looked over it, and it's pretty. This is what I want to use against the other ones, because this one you can understand the damn thing. But this is you can go to 32. You go to 3212 on the Google Maps and look at this sucker right here. This is a bad facility. It's a badass facility. It's got pool. It's got all the amenities. You have to share them with other people. But everything. You're an older couple or whatever. It'd be nice. You can walk to everything. It's real nice on the beach. It's fucking awesome. Yeah, that's what this was what this property is for, is to sell. I mean, this property here was created to sell. If you understand that, that's how Phil got $12 million. Well, I know he got some inherited, but it's all. He didn't goddamn lose anything. That's for damn sure. And I don't know what the heck happened. In 2 months, they lost. They went down real quick. We went, we can't pay your bills. Well, you know what? I don't know, man, but they sold a lot. I got two trees. Look at all these bags. Look, all this out here, man. This ain't even all of it. And they sell all these properties, and how much tax you got? $218,000 from that one rise property facility. To that non-profit organization, they give us a damn tax. How much is the taxes over that? Shit. I didn't think you had to pay taxes. You don't get no taxes if you don't make no money. You said this thing ain't been making no money. So how can it pay taxes? I mean, yeah, I guess you got property tax and stuff like that. But as far as the income revenue, you ain't made none. So I don't understand why you got. And then, why you got to sell them all? I mean, why did you have to, every guy you destroy the existence of my family? Any part, they said they got it all sold up, and this took up, okay, that's right, that's probably a competitor, if you really want to know, and they're just wiping, they've been wanting to do, probably for 70 years, however long he's been alive, but that's how long he's been doing it. That's what he's been doing this real young, Of course, when I came of age, I was only like, I don't know how old I was. It was real young I was, but when I first had my mind coming where I could, I guess Philip, he was about 20 then. But, this one here, I can't find. There may be, but I can't find any problem with it. It's just, but I wouldn't want to find. This is one that you want to sell anyway. It's not. like, you know, hey, this is only a 4-bedroom. It's a 4-bedroom, 4-unit place. Okay, and it has 39 goddamn stories, you know, okay, but it ain't just a 1-unit place or nothing. You know, it's shit. You're talking about an ocean property, you know, for $2,000 down. Don't make no difference what it is. I don't think where are you gonna buy that at? You know, where you gonna get that at? Come on now. Okay, well, this is real property owned. It's in, okay, Hawaii, 96817. The project known as Kukai Plaza. I hope I say that right. Kukai Plaza. More particularly identified as tax map. Okay, subject is called a subject property. Petition is especially empowered to sell the subject property. Okay, pursuant to that law. That law is a violation of our Constitution. Additionally, this court previously has authorized the sale, and it fell through. Another offer was purchased of subject property received. Okay. And then the first contract, okay, $16,575 in balance by that way. Certain expenses will incur in connection with the sale, including conveyance tax, attorney fees, and other expenses incurred by the petitioner herein. Okay, right around that limousine. Okay, you need to knock off for that. If you're riding around in my limousine and you're staying in my house, Philip's my house. So if you're staying in Philip's house, you owe me for rent. That's the way I look at it. But how many people out there believe that they ought to settle it with you get the heirs out of the way or get the will out of the way, one or two. Then we got well, before you go and take the shit and start selling it yourself, you should fix it, see who the owner is. Okay, now you got an owner. Now you let them try to run it, and then they got it. Well, of course, unless they got a horseshoe up their ass like Philip did, competing against all these. Look at they're all hooking up to, okay, you know what I mean? Shaking hands with each other, okay? Okay, But that's exactly what this is all about. And a person ain't gonna be able to make they got it all sewed up. Went into the court. You just don't know how. If you just sat out here, I wish you guys could just sit out here and listen and look at this shit from afar. Because I live in Georgia, and these guys right here, that's why they're like, wow, what's going on here? And y'all got your heads on, it's just wake up. Hey, you know what? The thing it is, they have this I think it was in the 1960s, I think, Russia, they implanted into the subliminal mind of their soldiers to kill, and it was successful, and they was working on Parkinson's disease, and they found some sexual issues that come through, but they using the embryos and stuff, and that's something we don't want to get into, but this right here is just a dang, it's just a damn shame. It's just a damn shame. It's just when you get something and it's yours, and then you can't do nothing with it, and it's on. Okay, it's like a game. It's like a game to them. You're talking about this is my people, man. This is my people's stuff. It's just like here. You might not say, if you ever gone up north and visit your family and or something, you come back, you ain't seen them in a while, a long time, but they died. So you want to. You remember that old wagon that you used to play with? You want it? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Or they said, don't give you a chance. Let's sell it to the flea market. This is what's happening here. It just I get to watch them play with my damn emotions, okay? They're playing with there's my address, okay? And you can write me if you want to. Tell me what's on your mind. And and I'll tell you what's on mine. Well, I thought that was pretty interesting. I thought I'd share that with y'all. Come back and see me, all right? We'll check out. I'm getting ready to check out some NASA. How many people want to watch? You want to hear it? You want to see some NASA? We'll get in, see what we can learn. I'll see if I can bring out a bag this week. Okay. Y'all come back and see me. All right. Bye bye.